Welcome back to my shed. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this little elephant. It's going to be out of scrap pallet wood left over from the big slats that I used on my outside bench project I did earlier in the year. These are just going to be an offcut. As you can see, it's a big fat chunky piece of wood. So hopefully you stick around and enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video and liked how this little guy came out. As you can see, I use one of my go-to finishes at the moment, which is a dark oak wax. I do like the outcome it gives on the final project. I'm sure if you've seen some of my other videos, you see that I do use it on other things. But thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments if anything you would have done differently. If you can give me a thumbs up, feel like subscribing to my channel, that'd be great also. And I'll see you on the next video.